Okay, class. Um, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and download the surface data from the website from the link that you should have clicked on. I'm going to show you which products to select and download. I'm going to then go ahead, bring those into ARC catalog, show you how to find them in ARC catalog, and then I'm going to show you how to go ahead and define the projection of those items. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the data by clicking on FTP surface data. This is going to take you to an FTP site, and this is where the NOAA stores all of the different surface forms of surface data that they have. You can get maritime data, and what we want is surface data. Now, I believe it only goes back 7 days, and we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to pick surface data. You don't want to get the IMS. I'm just going to go ahead and pick this from the 3rd at 5:15. So remember, I'm going to want to get the DBF, the shape, and the SHX file. Just going to start out by clicking on that. Then I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click on that. Now those all went into my downloads folder. It depends on where you want to have this stuff, but mine went into the downloads folder. I'm going to go ahead, show in folder. I'm in Google Chrome. I'm going to take all 3 of those, holding down the control key, and I'm going to cut those. I'm going to go ahead into the W drive, into geography, JHUPE, UWEC classes, student data, and in Spring 11, I'm just going to go ahead and make myself a folder right now. Okay, I have made a demo folder called Joe's Demo to where I'm going to place the files that I downloaded. Now you could have just done this if you were in Explorer. You could have just set these to download straight to that or moved them to there. But you have to have the SHX, the DBF, and the shape, because in the GIS, these are the 3 different files you need, because one of them has the information, if you would, the spreadsheet information, and then this has the information in terms of where they are in geographic space. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. And the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and bring those into ARC catalog. Okay, before what I did was I went ahead and downloaded those files off of the website. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I define the projection of those files. To do that, we're going to do that within ARC catalog. So ARC catalog is located over here on the edge. You can see it pops right out when we move our mouse button over it. I have showed you already how to do a folder connection. If you want to do a folder connection, if you can't remember how, you just go here and you connect to the folder that you want. You would just navigate to that folder, whatever one you want. In the case that I did, I navigated to my folder. I can just navigate actually to Geog if I want. That'll show up as it's almost like a little shortcut. I'm going to go into WGeog JHUPE though. I'm going to go into UWEC classes, into 341 Weather and Society, Student Data, Spring 11, and let's see, Joe's Demo. I'm going to go ahead and open up Joe's Demo. And if I right click on that and go to Properties, what you'll see is that it's an unknown coordinate system. Now before I define what that coordinate system is, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what a defined coordinate system is. So if I go into the weather folder, we go into USA Weather, we right click on country, we go to properties, you'll see that this one is USA contiguous Albers equal area conic. That means that this projection is defined. This is its projected coordinate system, this is its geographic. We're going to go ahead and give the other file this as its defined projection. I'm going to hit cancel here. We're going to go back up to Joe's Demo. I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to go select predefined coordinate system. And since we want to go to geographic coordinate system, I'm going to double click that. I'm going to go to world, WGS 1984. Notice I click it only once. Add and apply. Now that projection has been defined. I can go ahead and add that in, and I'll add in country. And if I zoom in a little bit, you'll see that that surface data is on top of the country I just brought in as a defined projection.